Kani gadega Batisi TV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Hene kasngi ke arpu pratrek uyayong ke North Eastern Regional Rural Bank Employees Federation kelas dangnya ke jingelang ba ke baar sngi kenti ha ususu tham auditorium Shillong ha ke pada kispa angut ki Nongtrei hakikatan ba per jong ke Rural Bank na keleng saudang ki jela na ke than chitai lamingi ki laiwan ban Shimenta. Ha kini kesini ubah Sanbor Chulai MLA Kalaban Constituency ulalong kongsan kat bau Dilip Kumar Guha ulang chairman ke Meghalaya Rural Bank ulalong ke musumbot kongsan. Las dangnya kini kejingelang dah kejing penher ke lama bat kejing bu sentiu hapelau jong ke auditorium kom kadang ban ken mau burom ya kita ki pelaklat no bat hadin kini lapen buat dah kejing petiang sobha ya kongsan bat ya borok kiri orang ba ki wedan ringkat lang bat kejing thang ya umam beti dau kongsan bat ki we de kiri orang ba la pelong ya kini ke Lympungbah ban ya theri tai na ke Bynta ke bah kamian jong ki Nongtrei ke Rural Bank bat ban yarap keliang iwe pan bat kumju la ya therru kumno ban kampen jana ya ka jing shakri shikipat bat nongken show pisa ha ki Rural Bank ki badan ha keleng ke jela.
I must congratulate and express my sincere thanks to all those leaders, representatives and employees who have retired from their service and those who are still in service for your dedication, sincerity and banking service to the people of our urban area and especially to the rural population, which you have rendered a service to help the people, especially in the rural area. And I would like to say that I am always at your service, and what I could learn that many of the employees of the Rural Bank, most of them we are born and brought up in my area, and I would like to say that I am always in your service, and because my policy and my best policy is walk more, talk less. So you will find me, I never talk more than I never deliver my speech more than 5 minutes, because I deliver my service 24 hours.